Hi everyone, this is Shiva Ganesh. I'm going to take you through about views in SAP. Let me first say about views. Views are nothing but a virtual table containing fields from one or more tables. Virtual table in the sense means that it does not contain any data but instead provides an application oriented view of one or more above dictionary tables. So in order to create a view, we have to go to the transaction SC11 and you can see a view here. So initially there are four types of view. The views are projection view, database view, help view and maintenance view. Let me first show you how to create a projection view. So I have given a name here, create view, visit create view. So I am clicking on create here. So you can see that we can create four types of view in this scene. So I am clicking on projection view here. So projection view is nothing but creating a view for only one single table. So I am just giving a description here. You can see a field called basis table. This is the field where you have to give the table name. I am just giving a standard table name, giving a custom table name here. Press enter. So you can see the push button here showing us table fields. When you click on the table fields, it will list out all the fields inside that table. It will list all the fields inside this table. Visit activity book underscore detail. So I am just selecting just few required fields that I have to show. And click on copy. Once it is when you click on copy, all the fields will be populated in this one. If you want to add more, you can also add more to this circle. I will just add in the status here. So in maintenance, you can see a tab called maintenance here. In this, you can select different categories like you want read only or read or change. You can do that. And there is something called as maintenance allowed. In future, if you want this view to have a maintenance to be allowed in a different way, you can give this maintenance. There are three types like maintenance allowed with restriction, maintenance allowed, and maintenance not allowed. So I am giving it maintenance allowed, and I am saving this one. You have to give your package name. And the request. Once it is saved, I am checking an activity. So this view is been active now, so we can go and execute this view. So it will show all the data on the table based upon our view we have generated. So this is projection view. So let us go to the next view, which is database view. Database view is nothing but creating a database view for fields of more than one table, that is multiple table. I already created a database view. Let me show the example that I have created. So this is the database view. The only feature in database view is that we can show the output in read-only mode only. The first step in creating a database view is that we have to give the description on clicking on create button there in the SC11. So it will be showing this tab first. Initially you have to give the tables here. The main reason we have to give is that the table must have a relationship with another table. As we are giving multiple table entries, all the tables must be interlinked together through a foreign key relationship. So we can see that these two tables are having a link. And after giving these tables, Once you come on view fields, you can see we can give I have actually given the tables that I have manually entered here. You can enter the fields here manually. So there is something called as select condition. You can categorize your output based upon your condition. Like here I have given, like if the status is booked, I want to show the booked status in the output. So you can give the condition like if the status is equal to booked, you need to show only the data which is booked here. So in the maintenance status, same way in this one there is only read only option, as I have already told. You can set, it is already set as read only, and you can set as maintenance allowed, you can set. So once you execute this one, you can see the data from two tables are merged together. You can see only the book status here, as we have set the selection condition. So this is the database view. The next view is help view. Help view are used for search helps. We can use this search help view, and you can use this view in the search help. So I have already created a help view. Let me show that. So this is the help view. Same as database view, you have to give the tables which have the foreign key relationship. After that, you have to specify the fields that you want to show, and similarly the selection conditions that you want to specify, and the maintenance status you have to do. You can set either read only or read and change. Here you can give anything. So after giving that, you can save, check and activate, and you just copy this name. I told you that we can give help view is used for search helps. So I'm creating a search help here. So is it search? Is it search? This search help is already available. Here you can see that the view that we have created is being showed here. So based upon the view, we are giving a search help here. You can see that the fields in that search help is available. You can also add fields here, like book ID. You can add here. It will be shown here. So we can add. So this is help view, which is used in search helps. So next view is the last view is the maintenance view. Maintenance view offers an easy way to maintain complex application objects. That is, the data can be automatically distributed in underlying database also. That is, using this maintenance view, whatever value we have changing in that view, it will be reflected in the database also. So let us see how we are creating, how to create maintenance view here. I have already created a maintenance view. Let me show that. As a database view, you have to give the table with a key. It must have a key relationship between these two tables, and you have to specify the fields that you want to show in the output. And selection condition, as I already told, you can set your selection condition, and maintenance status should be as allowed. As we are creating a maintenance view, we have to make it as allowed. It is a mandatory, and the user can choose any one of these axes. It is his choice. So after creating this maintenance view, we have to then create a maintenance dialog. To create a maintenance dialog, user has to go to utilities, table maintenance generator. Here he can create a maintenance dialog. The first step he has to do is that you have to give an authorization group. Authorization group is nothing but we are specifying a certain group only need to access this maintenance view. In this scenario, I have given us no group. NC means without any access group. So I have given like this. Then he has to give a function group. He has to create a function group in SC80, and he must give the name here. And after that, you can either go to single step or two step. Here I have given a single step. If you have given a single step, then you have to propose a screen number. Propose screen number here. If it's a two step, you have to give a screen number to both the fields, like single screen and overview screen. After that, if you save and check activate, it will ask for a package. It will be automatically available. So after creating this maintenance dialog, you have to maintain your maintenance, right? So you have to go to /0 SC84. Set name, click on test and maintain. You can see the values that we created in the maintenance. So we can change these values, say 60, and if we save it, it will be automatically saved in the database. See, we can this value is saved in the database. So this is the maintenance view. So we have seen four types of views. That is projection view, which is for only used for a single table. Second one is database view, where we can use views for more than one table. And help view, where this help view is used in search helps. We can use help view in search helps. Then in maintenance view, where we can maintain data, which can be reflected back to the database. Any changes in the maintenance view can be reflected back to the database. So this is all about views, and thank you.